Hello children, welcome back to yet another video in Vidyalakshmi CBSE Senior Secondary School YouTube channel to celebrate the joy of learning. In today's class, we'll be seeing a beautiful poem named A Photograph from Class 11 English written by Shirley Tolson. This poem will remind us of all the beautiful memories that we used to enjoy on seeing a good photograph. A photograph is always special, right? This poem deals about one such kind of a special photograph. Let's see what this poem is all about. This is just going to be an introduction of a poem. It's like a gist of it. Now, the poet remembers her mother who died about 12 years ago. Now, the poet recalls her mother who is no more now. She has died before 12 years. And the poet recalls how her mother used to look at a photograph and remember her own childhood. This special photograph is looked by Shirley's mother and she will feel so happy. A feeling of ecstasy will be there when Shirley's mother looks at this so-called special photograph. Now, what is this photograph? We'll see in the poem. Before that, yes, the photograph was taken when her mother had gone for a sea holidays with her cousins and her uncle. This photograph is said to be taken when Shirley Tolson went for a sea holidays along with her cousins and her uncle. Let's see. Without wasting much of our time, let's jump into the poem and see what Shirley Tolson wants to convey us. The cardboard shows me how it was. I hope you can see this picture, right? The cardboard shows me how it was. The poet says, I can see the cardboard and I can feel what the cardboard says to me. When the two girls' cousins went paddling. When two girls' cousins went paddling. So paddling in the sense playing in the sea water with their dry legs. So when the two girl cousins went paddling, each one holding one of my mother's hands. Now, with this line, we can clearly understand that Shirley's mother is holding on the hands of two girl cousins, each on one of her hands. Each one holding one of my mother's hands as she, the big girl, some 12 years or so. When this photo was taken, when this special photo was taken, Shirley Tolson's mother was how many years? 12 years or so. She was about 12 years old. Okay? Now, what happens? All three stood still to smile through their hair. So when this photograph was taken, I hope you can see this picture. How beautiful this picture looks, right? So when this photograph was taken, all these three kids, they were smiling through their hair. That means they want their smile to be seen in spite of their hair falling on their faces. They were at utmost happiness and they wanted to pose for the photo as good as they could because they are in their utmost happiness playing in the sea. Now, at the uncle with the camera. Now, who is taking the camera? The uncle is capturing the picture. The uncle is capturing the picture, a sweet face, my mother's, that was before I was born. The picture was captured by my uncle when my mother's face was so sweet. When my mother's face was so sweet before I was born. Because this photo was taken when Shirley's mother was 12 years old, right? So, my mother's, that was before I was born. Shirley Tolson says, this picture was taken by my mother's uncle before I was born and when she was 12 years old. And the sea, which appears to have changed less. Shirley Tolson has a problem now. What problem? Shirley Tolson says, I could see the sea where my mother took the photograph. It has no changes. It remains the same till date. There is no change felt or there is no change seen in the appearance of the sea. Wash their terribly transient feet It keeps on washing away the transient feet, transient in the sense wet feet. Okay, there is no change in the appearance or the posture of sea or how it behaves. There is no change with the sea behavior. Some 20-30 years later, Shirley Tolson's mother, after some 20-30 years, she would laugh at the snapshot. Can you see this picture? Yes. Some 20-30 years, Shirley Tolson's mother, she will laugh at that photograph, and Dolly, she would laugh at the snapshot. See, Betty and Dolly. Now only the names of the girl cousins are revealed. One is Betty, the other one is Dolly. So our mother used to comment, see how Betty and Dolly looks. How sweet, how cute. That was so nice, no? So her mother used to recall her good old memories when she was along with her two girl cousins, Betty and Dolly. She would say, and look how they dressed us for the beach. Now she will remember her uncle, parents, grandparents and their relatives, and she would comment on them. Look how they have dressed us for the sea holidays. See how we have dressed up. The utmost happiness will be seen in her face. That was so special for Shirley Tolson. She is not having more fun on seeing the photograph, but she loves the way her mother reacts on seeing this special photo. Because on seeing this photograph, my mother becomes so happy. So this photograph is so special to me. Now, let's continue. And look how they dressed us for the beach. The sea holiday was her past. The sea holiday was her past. When the mother of Shirley Tolson looks at this photograph, she will be so happy thinking about her past life and past holidays. Mine is her laughter. But for me in the sense, but for Shirley Tolson, the real happiness lies in my mother's laughter. My secret of happiness is in my mother's laughter. Both weary with the labored ease of loss. Both weary means both tired with the labored ease of loss. My mother has lost her childhood. I have lost my mother. So both in the sense, Shirley Tolson's mother and Shirley Tolson. Shirley Tolson's mother has lost her childhood and Shirley Tolson has lost her mother. Now she has been dead. Right now, my mother is no more, nearly as many years as that girl lived. She is dead. She is no more. And of this circumstance, there is nothing to say at all. At this situation, at this point of time, I don't have anything to say. Because the poet feels very sorry that she could find little difference with the appearance of sea and with the behavior of sea, but there is a lot of change happening in her life. In fact, there is a lot of change happening in her life. What is the change? She has lost her mother, she has gone old, now she has, she has herself gone old and now she is a mother of a child. There is a lot of change happened in her life, but there is little change found in the sea. The poet complains that nature has no change, but my life has undergone a lot of change, a dramatic change, a change which is equal to upside down, where whole of my life has gone into a different zone where my mother is not available for me now. Where will I go? It's silences. When I think of this, when I think my mother is no more, when I think I have no one to rely on anymore now, that silence silences me. That silence silences me. Okay? That is the end of the poem. Children, if you have any doubts, any queries, if you have any comments to leave, I hope you will leave it on the comment box. Please like, share and comment our videos. We'll meet you in yet another video in Vidya Lakshmi CBSE Senior Secondary YouTube channel to celebrate the joy of learning. See you children. Stay safe, stay home, stay healthy.